Hey guys, so today I want to talk about how to build a sales funnel for affiliate marketing. If you want to promote an affiliate product from ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Digistore 24, or any other affiliate networks out there, I found this great, platform software, funnel builder software. It's called a system.io. I myself have been using this software for a few months now. I have a few landing pages which I have created with this software. It's free to join, and I just want to give you a quick walkthrough into what kind of what's how you can actually how it is a beginner friendly and how you can select any funnel design as per your requirements. Like I'm over here, so you can see that you have these beautiful custom made templates over here which you can select. And they have a lot of templates which you can select from, so you can create a landing page, you can create a bridge page for your affiliate product. So say for example, if I just want to create a kind of an opt-in page. So see for example, if I just preview this template, and just to quickly add, you can even create your own sales funnel process. You have the thank you page. So let's just click over here. So I just want to check this out. This is going to be the opt-in page. Yeah, it looks really nice. So what I do is, the process is very simple. Um, I'm just going to, where is it? Okay, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to select this template over here. So say for example, I'm going to name it test page, and you can even create your own subdomain. So say in this example, it's going to be like test program. Okay, so I'm just going to save this over here, and what I can do is I can just edit the page. Like I said, it's free to join. I personally feel it's much easier than ClickFunnels. And of course, it's free to start an account with system.io. You can take out certain elements from this page. So say, for example, I don't need the headers. You can take them out, and you can change the entire text. So say, for example, selling digital products. Okay, or whatever you would like to sell. Then you can connect your email address with these email integrated softwares like GetResponse, Mailchimp, and of course you can even pick up your own custom domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy. You can edit whatever elements you like from this page. You can see that these are high converting landing pages, opt-in pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a link. I'm going to keep a link of this page of this software down in the description below for you to get access. You can start for free. So just click on the link. Get access to system.io and start building your opt-in funnels. Start building your affiliate marketing sales funnels. Okay. If you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. Peace out.